this problem is of cone. Okay, now cone is a solid of revolution. Okay, how to project the cone? Okay, now a cone of base diameter 50 mm and axis 70 mm long rests on HP on its base. Okay, draw the projection of solid. Simple one step problem is there. Okay, first you have to understand the solid. A cone, this is a cone. Now this is the base diameter of the cone, 60 mm. This is cone. Okay, now this is axis, and height of the axis is 70 mm. Base diameter is 50 mm. Actual height is 70 mm. Now this cone rests on HP on its base. Cone rests on HP on its base. Base is resting on, this base is on HP. Resting on HP on its base. Draw the projection of solid. Rest on HP on base. Draw the projection of solid. Simple. Now this cone is resting on HP on its base. Okay, the cone is like that. Suppose this is a cone resting on HP on its base. Now for drawing the front view and top view, you need to understand from where you can observe the base. Okay, so obviously from front view base is not visible. From top view you can observe the base, and the base is a circular shape, is of circular shape. That means you have to start the problem from top view. XY line, VP and HP. Now resting on HP on its base. So base visible from top view, and size of that circle is 50 mm. So you have to draw the circle. Okay. Now understand. Now from top view you can observe. From top view you can observe the apex also. So O should be there. This is O. Okay. Now in this case, now in case of solid of revolution, so there are no edges. Okay, edges are not there. Okay, so you cannot divide this. You cannot mark here the edges. Okay, that means, but for projection purpose we need some edges. We need some reference lines. Okay, so that's why in this case we are generating the imaginary edges. Okay, we are generating the imaginary edges just like that. Suppose this is O. Divide this into 8 equal part. Suppose this is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, now you are joining the apex with this imaginary points. Okay, OF, OG, OH. So these are the imaginary edges, and this imaginary edges is known as generators. Okay, so in case of solids of revolution, just like that cone and cylinder, we have to draw the generators. Okay, so don't say edges to OA, OB, OC. We have to say generators. So generators are there in case of solids of revolution. Now how to form the generator over there? Okay, so this is the circle. First of all, divide this circle into 8 equal parts. You know how to divide 8 equal parts? 8 equal parts. Okay, divide this into 8 equal parts, and you like to give the notations. Okay, to this. Okay, you have to give the notation. So this is A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. Okay, these are the generators. Now OA is a generator, observing from top. OB, OC, OD, OE, OF, OG and OH. All these are the generators. Now you have to project the front view. So front view. So you have to draw the projectors. Okay. So projector of A, projector of B, projector of C, projector of D, projector of E, projector of D and F is same, projector of C and G is same, projector of B and H is same. So here the ABCD, this base is on HP. That means here A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, F dash, G dash, H dash, and this is the base axis of the base. Okay, now height of O is 70 mm, as height is 70 mm. This is your O dash. Okay, now all these are the 9 8 imaginary points and one is apex. So we have to draw in the boundary. Okay, now which lines are dotted and which lines are continuous, that you will have to observe from observing the opposite view. So you will have to observe the opposite view from this direction. Now OA is boundary, OE is boundary. Go dark there. Those two lines are dark. So that means again OB is visible to you. OB is visible to you, so OB is dark. Now OC is also visible to you. OC is dark. OD is also visible to you, so OD is dark. Now OE is obviously dark, and OF is hidden, but it is that hidden line is overlapping with the OD line overlap with the hidden line of OF. So OF is not visible. Again OG is hidden, okay, but OC is overlapping the OG. That means OG is not visible. Again OH is hidden, but OB is overlapping on the OH, so OH is not visible. So here OA, OB, OC, OD, OE is visible, and OF, OG and OH is not visible because they are, or these lines overlapped by the other generators. But here A dash is a generator. These all are the generators. Okay. So this is how to project the O, okay, which is a solid of revolution.